So what is TypeScript? TypeScript is not an entirely new language. It's a superset of JavaScript. So that means any valid JavaScript code is also valid TypeScript code. But TypeScript has additional features that do not exist in the current version of JavaScript supported by most browsers out there. For example, in TypeScript, we have this concept of strong or static typing. If you have worked with languages like C# and Java, you know that in these languages, when we define a variable, we need to specify the type of that variable. Now, in TypeScript, typing is optional, so we don't have to use this feature. But using this feature makes our applications more predictable, and it also makes it easier to debug them when something goes wrong. TypeScript also brings quite a few object-oriented features that we have missed in JavaScript for a long time. We have the concept of classes, interfaces, constructors, access modifiers like public and private, fields, properties, generics, and so on. You're going to learn about this in this section. Now, another benefit of using TypeScript is that with TypeScript, we can catch errors at compile time instead of at runtime. Well, of course, not all kinds of errors, but a lot of errors. So there is a compilation step involved, and when we compile our TypeScript code, we can catch these errors and fix them before deploying our application. And finally, another benefit of using TypeScript is that we get access to some great tools out there. One thing that I personally love about TypeScript is the IntelliSense that we get in our code editors. Again, you're going to see that in this section. So TypeScript is a beautiful language, and it's basically a superset of JavaScript. So any valid JavaScript code is also valid TypeScript code. Now, the browsers out there, they don't understand TypeScript, and it's very unlikely that they're going to support it in the future. So we need to compile, or more accurately transpile, our TypeScript code into JavaScript. So this is part of building our application. Whenever we build our application, TypeScript compiler kicks in, and it transpiles our TypeScript code into JavaScript code that browsers can understand. Now that's enough introduction. Next, I'm going to show you how to install TypeScript and write your first TypeScript program.